This is an additional video help that's going to be added for the iTunes native versions of applications. For example, I'm using the RV Logbook Pro version 13 for the iPad. In the past, this application would run an FMGO on the iPad. That no longer is required. These new native apps will be sold on the iTunes Store as native apps, and you can download them and they will run as they're seen on the screen here. Now, what I'm going to be covering in this video is a little supplemental information about the final destination, or the stops along the way. This is a portal that was covered in an earlier video, but we've made some changes and updates, and they're going to affect the portal records. For example, I have an image in here that was added on this record, and basically what you would do is you would highlight that record with a tap on your iPad, and it would bring up where you could add a video or a still image to the individual records in this portal. You can also view the record here in an upscale view, but this particular view is not that good a picture to start with. It was probably not a very good image. But if you want to go in, you have to have something in the record to go to a portal. So if you have an image and some data, you can click on the portal icon. It'll take you to that particular record. Now in this particular case, you'll see where that little image that was on the individual record is down here at the bottom. And what I've done is I've set up a portal record in this area where you can add additional video or still pictures in this area. You can put, like you did before, you can still add your data over here on the side, and you can also add the information on the side over here about the trip planning portal. And most of this information will be coming right from the trip planning portal. And what you want to do is add the stops names where you stopped along the way to say where you were at and where these pictures were taken. Now, the additional features that have been added to this screen is that they now have a photo ID, and the photo ID is a sequential number that identifies the pictures within that particular portal, and it adds the photo ID over here. Now, I want to point out on the iPad, you do not add the video or still pictures in this screen. What you would do is you would continue on to the portal here where you have the individual pictures for that portal. And what you would do is you would go up to the top up here and you would say new record, and then you would add a new record. Now normally when you come over here, you'll see a picture or you'll see a blank screen as far as adding a new picture. But when you click the new record, it will empty this field, and you'll have the ability to go ahead and tap in here and add another image from your image library on your iPad. It'll put it in this screen. When you're done viewing this particular picture here in this screen and you go back to the trip planning portal, you'll see that that picture is now in the trip portal. And what you can do is you can scroll down, and you can see this picture is here. You can scroll down and add as many photographs as you want. Just keep on adding them in that other screen. So as you add another image, or you look over here at this portal, you're going to be able to go to the next record or prior record to see that particular image that's in this area. There's also a list view, so you can see them on a list view as well. If you have any questions, as usual, you can contact me via our website, where the information is, if you want to get to the website, you can click on visit the support site. When you get to the support site, you can either chat on live or leave a message or send an email and get your answers about this particular application. You can also contact us on Skype, and the Skype address is on the support site. Thank you.